Hello, Morgan here. I'm going to give you some instructions on this shotgun, the J. Stevens Arms shotgun. It's a single shot 12 gauge. When this lever is down towards the stock, it's safe, and it says safe right at the top. You want to fire it, you have to push it forward. We had a problem with that being loose, and when you put the gun barrel down, the safety would go off, so I fixed that. But there's a couple important things you need to know about this gun. First of all, this forearm pulls right off. You'll notice there's a hole in the forearm. That hole has got to go on this pin right here. There's a little pin right there. I guess you can see it. And what that does is, after you fire the gun, first we'll check to make sure we're empty, which we are. Okay. When you crack the gun open, you need to open it as far as it can, because what that does is it resets the firing pin back into the block. Make sure you look in there when you load up and make sure that that firing pin is retracted, because if it isn't retracted, this will help retract it, but it may go boom. We don't want that to happen. That's what that lever does, is retract the firing pin. So if you crack this open without this on after you fired it, you will not retract the firing pin. So we don't want that to happen. So now that we've got it on safe, we've got it empty, we've got it cocked, take it off of safe, and I'm going to fire it one time. Okay? Now that firing pin is forward. When I open the gun, you'll see what I'm talking about. Once I take this off, you should be able to see that that firing pin is retracted right here. If it's not retracted, you can see it when the gun's open. So make sure that when you fire this, or when you load this gun, before you load it, you make sure that the forearm is in place. You make sure you cock it all the way open, and you look in there and visually check to make sure that that firing pin has been retracted. Always keep the gun on safe, and it will go back to safe automatically. Once you cock it open, it automatically goes to safe. So you shouldn't have any problem whatsoever, as long as you're careful. So if you're not comfortable using it, get with me, Mike, or Carter, or Al Freehoff, or Rick, and we'll go over it with you. That's all I have for you today, guys. Be safe out there.